Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing questions of Gujarati, tutor mic assignments of NIOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Here are the questions of Gujarati that you can see on the screen, which are question number one, question number two, question number three, and all about the 40 to 60 words. And after that, question number four and five, you need to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number six, you need to write in the 500 words. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. And thank you so much for watching.